We have done a number of sensitization forums in church, in FM stations, in social media, as well as in our forums. And what you are saying is electricity is a very good servant, but a very bad master. It has no color, no smell. So when you want to do your pruning or your harvesting, please talk to us to assist you so that you do it safely. Illegal connections is still a challenge, but as we said, one of the things we have done here is to complete the connection of customers who have already made the payments to us. We have done a number of arrests. Right now, we have 17 ongoing cases within KURENGA court cases that we hope will act as a deterrence. This current financial year is spending more than 220 million to ensure that network is in the good condition. Placement of mini rotten poles, working on the trace, doing projects to improve what we call reliability and the redundancy of the network, among other projects, so that our customers within this county and the region at large can have reliable power for businesses, for personal use, manufacturing, as well as security in terms of public lighting.
From the people before we proceed then.